In the West, Thanksgiving has its turkey. In Kuttanad, Easter has its duck. The comparison is that simple. As church bells ring and families gather, kitchens in Kuttanad turn to what the land has always offered. Water all around, paddy fields below sea level, canals cutting through villages, and flocks of ducks moving as one across them. It was never a festive choice made in isolation. It came from what people lived with. In homes once surrounded by water, where boats were as common as front doors, ducks were easy to rear. They fed in the fields after harvest, grew well in the wetlands, and became part of everyday cooking. When a feast was needed, they were ready. One of the dishes that defines this is duck mappas. The name carries a trace of the Portuguese who passed through Alappuzha. Papas meant potatoes, and that stayed. In Kuttanad, duck and potatoes are inseparable in Mappas. The gravy is pale, rich and spiced, built on coconut milk that found its way into local cooking through trading communities that once moved through Kochi. Duck cooks slowly. Coconut milk rounds it off. Potatoes soften and hold the gravy. Then there's duck roast. Darker, thicker, cooked down until the masala clings tight. If mappas is for a long lunch, roast is for the moment you want something deeper on the plate. Together, they define Easter here. Kuttanad has changed. Roads have come in, canals matter a little less, and not every household keeps ducks the way it once did. Farming patterns have shifted, and so has daily life. But when Easter comes, the kitchen falls into a familiar pattern in Kuttanad. Duck is brought home, cleaned, cut, and put on the stove. No one really debates it. Mappas or roast comes down to taste, but duck stays at the center of the meal.